start with the countdown,
Big
please.
Ben chime in the end of 2005, the beginning of 2006. All around the country, the countdown has started. At home, the volume is being turned up. Everybody is counting down to 0 and the start of the new year. Officially, according to Greenwich Mean Time, the start of 2006. Happy New Year, wherever you are, whoever you're with, and especially if you're on your own. Have a fantastic 2006. I hope it brings you everything you wish for. You're watching New Year Live on the BBC. Fireworks have started, and the first part of this 10-minute sequence reflects London's successful bid to host the Olympics in 2012. The colours of the 5 Olympic rings, representing the 5 continents, will go up in flames around the London Eye, this wheel that represents so much. To celebrate the millennium, it represents the turning of the century, the turning of the years. It's a recognised symbol of time and of regeneration. Sky above the River Thames lit up, the faces around lighting up with this extraordinary naive energy. If you think about the way you felt when you were a child, when you first lit a match, when you look at a candle, when you look at flames, that's the sort of feeling as an adult that fireworks still bring you. It takes you back to when you were 5 or 6 years old. It's not, there's nothing intellectual about it, it's just an invasion of the senses. And down here on the river you can smell the gunpowder, you can feel the blast, every blast as it goes off shudders right through you, and the light just opens up your pupils. You can see young faces, old faces, all of them just looking up in awe and wonderment. Colours there of white and fuchsia. Christophe Bertineau, who has choreographed these fireworks, said that fireworks can be very macho, very masculine, so he wanted to bring something feminine into it, which is why he used the fuchsia. He also thinks it reminds him of Christmas, of presents, of sweeties. Just trying to make it a little bit more delicate. Colours now blue and gold, very regal and very loud. and they fall down like gold stars dropping from the sky, and now flames coming out from the inside of the London Eye, which is 135 meters high. Incredible to see that symbol of such amazing modernity, with the Tower of St. Stephen's housing the Bell of Big Ben just a few meters away, and the contrast of tradition and of something so futuristic. Three barges positioned in front of the wheel have 10,000 shots on them. The wheel itself has 3,000 shots. These bits using titanium, which is a very old-fashioned, very traditional form of fireworks. Dark gold now, falling like a waterfall. Segment creating layer upon layer upon layer. A huge cheer going up around here. This display deliberately not using music, letting the fireworks create a rhythm, a music of their own. And now we're going to get movement around the wheel. And fire coming from the barges. Reflection from water in the river, it really feels like the River Thames is on fire. The whole place is lit up. Most extraordinary spectacle. Up now to the big finale, which is going to be a burst of happy colours. Well, I don't know how that translated for you at home. I hope you could feel it, because it was incredible being here, and the searchlights coming out from the wheel at the end just gave it a really eerie feel. There's something timeless about it, and Christophe Bertoneau, the guy who choreographed it, describes it as theatre, but he says you have to feel it. You can't reason with it, you can't try and intellectualize it, you have to feel it, and you do. You feel it pounding in your heart, the most extraordinary thing, and your eyes just get bigger and bigger. That was truly amazing. You have to take a big, deep breath after it, and the crowd here just burst into spontaneous applause at the end of it. Natasha, I know you get a side-on view from Somerset House, and you'll have seen the camera work there as well, but I hope you agree. I thought that was absolutely extraordinary.